Good morning and welcome to 2 and 2 on Wednesday the 5th of March. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the pound dollar first, and as suspected we've stayed pretty much within this very small range. In fact, let me just close this down so you can see it a lot clearer. There we go. It's a lot easier to see on this when we zoom in effectively. You can see we just really pretty much stay within the range. There's a potential that we could continue doing this. We do have some more UK news coming out at 9:28 this morning. We've got the UK Services PMI, a very important figure, as we rely, the GDP relies massively on the services PMI. Okay, in terms of where we are at the moment, looking at its 4-hourly, and we're effectively putting a little wedge in, or pennant sitting there at the moment, which in this sort of downward move almost looks like it wants to push to the downside. Now, I haven't got an intraday target ready for the pound dollar. It's already been hit. In terms of support, resistance and sort of levels to be looking at, really looking at that 166.78 at the moment, and looking at this sort of shorter term movement, and possibly just below 166.57, so about 166.50. That's the sort of key areas. If it starts breaking to the lower side, there is potential we could actually run down to this monthly pivot quite soon. So that's a possibility. It's still staying in that main range I discussed on Monday. So we could still stay within that range, hit that pivot, but it seems possible at the moment. For the euro, again we're seeing this sort of downward shove. Similar picture really in terms of what we got here. It's really already trying to break, so it was getting pretty close to yesterday's lows here. If it can break yesterday's lows, again it really looks at the moment like it's pushing for the downside, and this sort of pivot area here at 137. I do have an upside target there at the moment of 137.48, which has got a reasonable chance of being hit. Now, of course, well, we could have come all the way down here and do it first, but if it does get up and get that sort of level, it could change the dynamics of the day a little bit, and it could, if it does on the euro, it could drag the pound up, or the pound could come up as well. So it would show more dollar weakness than anything else. But at the moment it's looking a tad on the weak side. As I say, there is the chance of hitting the monthly pivot at this rate, but if it manages to move up, hit that area and start getting a bit of a push up, I would be looking back towards yesterday's highs, and looking at that 137.80 area. Okay, that's it for me. Hope you have a great day. Bye for now.